Well, hello everybody, and welcome to this video series on the Lower Alabama Railroad version 2.0. Come along with us as we take this N-gauge layout that's running around on the kitchen table and turn it into a 36 by 80 inch layout complete with scenery, train yard, turntable, village, trolley, and a river. So come along, enjoy the ride.
Hello everybody. Welcome to episode 4 on the rebuild of the Lower Alabama Railroad. It's been a while. Life has gotten in the way. It took a lot longer for my son and his wife to sell their house and find a new house and get moved in, which happened about 3 weeks ago. In the meantime, since we helped them move out, my wife has been busy going through the house, changing, rearranging, painting, cleaning carpets. At this point, there is not a single piece of furniture, with the exception of the master bedroom, that has not been moved. My computer table is in its original position, but even it has been reconfigured. So the last 3 weeks have been busy. But as a result of that, I now have a place to put the railroad when we start building, and I will be able to build inside. Yay! Right now, what I have to get yet is the hollow core door, and I'm going to end up framing that with some 2x2 because I want just a little bit extra room, because the layout that I have will go right to the very edges of the table. And that part is the door, the edging, and the foam is still yet to be purchased. Again, this month was tag renewal for the car and the trailer, so yeah, gotta wait till next month to get those. But in the meantime, let me show you where we're going to be sitting up. Here we are now in the guest room, and against that wall where the table is sitting, that is where the Lower Alabama Railroad version 2.0 is going to be set up. It will have to be the hollow core door. It turns out that initially we thought my son was going to take the Murphy bed that's on the wall behind me, but he decided not to at this time. So we're going to keep this as a train room and a guest room, and I have to leave enough room that the Murphy bed can come down and you can still walk around it. So that goes back to my 36 by 80 inch layout design. Now I'm going to turn around. You're going to see what a model railroad would look like if IKEA built it. And here we go. And you can see I've been busy, still getting some more stuff. In fact, yesterday these tunnel entries and tunnel portals came. Got some foam working tools back there. Some more rolling stock. My initial engine has been chipped for DCC, and then I got an Atlas engine that I'm waiting to test that came DCC and sound equipped. So I said, got everything in here. I've been working on I got some scaffolding sections that are 3D printed that I need to paint yet for the roundhouse, and some tools. And I made doors for the roundhouse that I have to paint. My 3D houses have to be painted. And again, my models have to be assembled, but that stuff is all, part of the process. And electronics, I got a DC Specialties circuit breaker to protect the electronics, and I got a current reverser for the rail turntable, because I'm going to isolate the turntable and each spur so that I can work this real, give me a lot of flexibility for operating it. And that's pretty much it. It's been taking me quite a lot longer to get to this point than I thought it would. But, you know, it is what it is. And this is going to be, I cannot wait to actually see a train run around this layout for the first time. And of course, you know, once we get it laid, get the track down and get everything tested, then it all comes back apart again to where you can paint the base and start adding scenery, carving out the river, yada yada. You guys know how it goes. But that's what we got for this update. Hopefully the next update won't be 4 months away. So until that one, bye for now.
The engineer has the highball and it's full speed ahead. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.